Hello everyone. Today I will explain how to set up multi-layer displays. First, let's discuss the use cases for multi-screen setups. If you want to display multiple signal inputs simultaneously on the same screen, you'll need to configure a multi-screen display. First, open the debugging software LED setting. Click on Screen Configuration and enter the authorization password, 168. Here, we are using the X26M as an example, simulating 6 signal inputs. 2 4K signals and 4 2K signals. For example, if you want to set up 3 windows on a canvas with a resolution of 3840 by 2160, you can drag the signal inputs onto the screen. Right-click on the video input to adjust its coordinates and resolution. You can also adjust the window size and resolution by dragging the program window. Thank you, everyone.